Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 0 to Infinity. I am Vinita and I hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I am going to talk about how we can sort materials based on the characteristic of conductivity. Conductors. Conductors are materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. They get heated quickly. Example, metals like iron, aluminium and gold are good conductors. As you can see in the image, here is the image of heat transfer where we can see different forms of heat transfers like radiation, conduction and convection. All these are happening because the metal container is allowing the heat to pass through it. That is, the container is a good conductor. We also have examples like iron, which is also a good conductor. Next are insulators. Insulators are materials that do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. Materials like plastic, rubber and wood are good insulators. As you can see in the picture, plastic and wood are insulators. That means they do not allow heat or electricity to pass through them. Next, we are going to sort materials based on the characteristic of nature of materials. Natural materials. Natural materials are the substances that come directly from nature. Example of natural materials include wood, cotton, wool and stone. As you can see in the image, wood and stone are the examples of natural materials. That means they are available in nature. Next are artificial or synthetic material. Artificial materials are human-made or synthetic materials. Examples of artificial materials include plastic, glass and nylon. So these are the images of nylon and plastic, which are the artificial or synthetic material. So I hope you liked today's video where we have categorized or sorted materials based on various characteristics. I'll be seeing you in the next video with one more interesting topic. Until then, keep smiling, and if you did not subscribe the YouTube channel, do subscribe and press on the bell icon for such more interesting videos. Keep smiling. Bye bye until the next video.